Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You must be signed into the Google account you plan to use. This ties the gift card balance to that profile. Once signed in, make sure your account country matches the card's country because regional rules block some redemptions. Now open the Google Play app or Payments. Google, and locate Redeem. Enter the 16-character code exactly, then tap Redeem to add the credit. Doing this first prevents later permission or billing mismatches and keeps the balance available immediately. After redeeming, you'll see the updated Play balance. This is what Google uses for purchases. You can buy apps, in-app items, subscriptions, movies, or books. Pick the product and at checkout choose Play balance as your payment method. If a subscription auto-renews, make sure the balance covers future payments or add an alternate payment method. Once done, receipts show the deduction and remaining balance. Keep the physical or email code until you confirm the charge in your Google account. To finish, verify the transaction in Payments. Google, confirm the new balance and purchase history so you're sure funds were applied. If redemption fails, double-check the card region, the code entry, and that the card wasn't already used. Make sure you're not trying to use a Google Pay gift card where only Play credits are accepted. They differ. If problems persist, gather the receipt and card details. Then contact Google support so they can trace the code and restore your balance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.